good idea to get down to a lower altitude. Control it!
Warning.
Goddamn tail rudder's gone.
You're going to crash.
What's the use? I'm going down.
You're going to crash. It's got to hurt. You're going to crash.
Speed doll, speed doll. Hello, honey, don't talk. I haven't got much time, so I'm going to put you on speed jet.
Okay. The tail rudder's broken on the chopper and I'm going down.
Oh no.
I'm a long way up, so I don't think I'm going to make it.
Oh.
Listen, you know your mother's family heirloom that you thought you lost and were devastated?
Yeah.
Well, I sold it to pay off a gambling debt I had.
What?
I'm really sorry, baby. Also, I haven't paid the house mortgage for over a year, as all the money went on my cocaine habit.
Oh my god.
The last letter from the bank said they're going to repossess the house.
You
I truly am sorry, baby. 2 years ago, that wedding reception we went to, and I disappeared for 2 hours. Well, I was upstairs having sex with your sister. That baby she's got, and nobody knows who the father is. Well, that baby's mine. I tried to give her what little money I've got, but it's very difficult. Because I've got a new habit now. Heroin, and it's very expensive.
I hope you die slowly.
Well, that hasn't made me feel much better. Cool. I think I'm gonna Ralph. Get out! Get out! Hey! Oh my god, mountains! Up, 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 up! Ooh-wee. I don't want to do that again. Let's get this sucker on the ground. Well, do I phone her? Hey? Hey, you people, shall I phone her? I mean, I've got a few ideas what I should do, but shall I phone her?